Welcome, adventurers! Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to discover the wonders of wildlife and nature. Together, we'll explore different habitats, meet fascinating animals, and learn fun facts about the natural world. So, pack your curiosity and let's dive into the Wildlife Wonders Tour. Our first destination is a lush green forest, where the trees form a towering canopy above us. Here, we meet playful squirrels darting from branch to branch. Did you know that squirrels have strong hind legs, allowing them to leap up to 10 times their body length? That's like a human jumping over a car. They also bury nuts to eat later, but often forget where they hid them, helping trees grow new forests. Moving to the riverbank, we meet frogs relaxing on lily pads. Frogs are not just excellent swimmers, they are also nature's cleanup crew, eating insects that might harm plants. And here's something fascinating. Frogs don't drink water the way we do. Instead, they absorb it to their skin. They're a great example of how animals adapt to their environment. Next, we journey to the vast grasslands, home to majestic elephants. These gentle giants use their trunks for almost everything, picking up food, drinking water, and even communicating with one another through trumpet-like sounds. Did you know elephants can sense water sources underground? Their keen sense of smell helps them find water even in the driest seasons. Splash into the ocean, where dolphins glide gracefully through the waves. These intelligent mammals live in pods and use a unique form of communication called echolocation to navigate and find food. It's like having built-in sonar. Did you know dolphins have been known to protect humans from sharks? Their social behavior is truly remarkable. Deep in the tropical rainforest, life is bursting with color. Parrots, with their bright feathers and sharp beaks, are one of the most vibrant inhabitants here. These birds are excellent mimics, copying sounds and even human speech. Parrots play an important role in spreading seeds, helping to grow new trees and plants. The desert might seem like a tough place to live, but camels have mastered survival here. Their humps store fat, not water, as energy reserves. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water at once and go for weeks without another sip. Their long eyelashes and nostrils that close protect them from blowing sand. Freezing in the Arctic tundra, where polar bears roam, these magnificent creatures are built for the cold, with thick fur and a layer of fat called blubber to keep them warm. Did you know their fur isn't actually white? It's transparent, reflecting light to help them blend into the snowy surroundings. As night falls, the jungle transforms into a magical wonderland lit by tiny fireflies. These glowing insects use their light to communicate and attract mates. This phenomenon, called bioluminescence, is one of nature's most enchanting displays. Watching fireflies flicker is like seeing stars come to life in the forest. What an incredible journey we've had today! From forests and rivers to deserts and oceans, we've met some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Each one plays a special role in keeping our planet healthy and beautiful. Thank you for joining us on the Wildlife Wonders Tour. Remember, every adventure starts with a curious mind. Until next time, keep exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting adventures. See you soon. Bye for now.